like you get some guys sites we say like go now visit. They go tell una say click or tap to verify. Hey, I'm not this particular stuff here. They'll be like, okay, verify if you are not a robot. This particular thing here, sure you get the previous view of this screen. As you guys can see, I never even tap anything. They just verify once. Sure you get. So all this kind of pushy address now you could use. Maybe the one you see they will come they dictate. They tell you see if you're not a robot or one thing. Sure you get. So look at the location of the pushy. Look at everything. Make it no be like say I did like try get to now like unclear. See now they are telling me that my location is in Florida, USA, and look at what they are still telling me again. VPN false, proxy false. That one now means okay, yes, you don't be free to enter any this website. This one now no be location changing. Like I don't change the IP address of the phone. So those the proxy stuff like that, sha. You get. So now, after you have checked all this thing, you have checked one or two websites. You don't really show like one or two websites don't show you all this kind of things where you see like as you don't connect your this thing, proxy and everything. The website don't show you this kind of confirmation where your location there and everything. Then you go back. Okay, maybe we'll check another this thing, proxy stuff again. Okay, this one, I'm not sure this one is better to use. So okay, let's move to the next step. I did try like enter TikTok USA. They not agree. So make I just explain this thing for now. Like now, you want like visit okay, let's say POF dating site. If I'm not connected to proxy, since I click and I start seeing fast load like once. If to say another connect to proxy, they use normal IP. This thing no go even load this year. Sure now they get abi. So that's why proxy is good in some ways and proxy is also like useless in some ways. VPN is stronger than proxy for shield and everything. You get VPN now like they in VPN they like active of if you visit site maybe see the site if you like collect many information for your phone. If you visit those kind of sites and you're on your VPN, like depending the kind of VPN, like Node, using Node, those sites, that VPN now will protect that site from not collecting your information. She get. And all those people will say now go connect to any other Wi-Fi because they wanna see Wi-Fi they free or unlocked. When I go connect and I don't know person will get them. That one too, if you on the VPN, Node, subscribed one, paid one, VPN too if you protect you. But if you are using proxy, proxy don't know anything about any that one now to just spoof your IP in a lightweight. She get proxy no feel like make your phone hot. VPN go make your phone hot. So you go see those two things now they get different work. They get different particular work they do. So now why is it say proxy no go make your phone hot and VPN go make your phone hot. VPN now they do a lot than proxy. Proxy now does the IP spoofing. It's done. Get. And proxy now they refill they do this thing. They like try get your IP covered and replace it with the particular IP you use for the placement. So now going to TikTok. Go try the TikTok again. So just follow these steps. You go like the banning and stuff and everything will really reduce. You know, go do like before again. She gets as far as you don't do all this thing I show you. Okay. We'll just try get see now go back again. Normally it not be everybody this TikTok website or this thing will really work for, because if this thing now TikTok websites work as a